Hi guys, Captain Nick here with MarineMax St. Petersburg, standing on the all-new Boston Whaler 350 Realm. Now, this particular boat is like something you've never seen before, and when Boston Whaler created the Realm series, they came up with a whole new name to describe it. So that name is the Expedition Class Center Console, and by that I mean a vessel that will take you beyond the horizon and back safely, comfortably, and without regret. Hop on board and let's get this walkthrough started. So I'm going to start this walkthrough off back here. This boat is powered by triple Mercury 350 Verados. Gets you up in the top end 50-mile-an-hour range. So when the Realm was created, it was created with 3 separate social zones in mind. The first one being back here on the aft deck, where you see there's a large amount of seating. It's also going to be able to fold up. Coming over here to a dive door even. And also a grill that folds away at your convenience. So now I'm standing in social zone number 2, and I like to think of it as the most innovative social zone on the boat. So this rearward facing seat that we saw earlier is going to transition forward into a double row helm seating. And get this, the actual helm seat is also going to swivel to face the other one. So now what we've created is a nice dining area, conversation area, with the option to also put a table in right underneath me. So I'm going to swivel this seat up forward here, and I'll get down to the actual functionality of the helm. A shorter gentleman like myself can really appreciate the step-up pad right here and all the vision going around the whole boat. Steering wheel going to be adjustable. Joystick piloting also available on this boat. Digital throttle shift, easy access to all of our Raymarine screens right here, and our vessel view up top. So as we hit on before, the purpose of the Realm is an Expedition Class Center Console. So with Expedition in mind, we're talking about multi-night excursions into the Caribbean or wherever your mind takes you for adventure. So you've got multi-night capabilities for sleeping, and also a massive head down below that also is going to double as a shower. So now why don't you guys follow me up to the bow for social zone number 3. As I walk up here, you can see really high cushioned gunnels with handrails on them. Real safe boat also. So now that we are up on the bow social zone, you're going to see a very large, vast, luxurious triple seat up here on the bow, sun pad. Really rich wood finish table, operates on an actuating ram that will go up and down. And of course, even more speakers, JL audio up on the bow, keep the sound going even with the wind or the motors cranking back there. So, I can talk about this boat all I want, but it truly does not do it justice until you actually get on it, and I gotta tell you, this is an easy boat to get excited about. So come on down to MarineMax St. Petersburg, let me show you around, let's drop this thing in the water and go out for a sea trial. My name's Captain Nick, and I'm signing off.